Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Brandon Rush. Hey, I just finished showing a property here in New Britain, Connecticut, and I wanted to bring it to you guys and showcase it to you. This is an office building located at 41 Lexington Street in New Britain, Connecticut. My clients are actually doctors looking for an office building, which is why we're here. The building is currently used or was used by attorney's office. The listing agent on this is Curtis Clements of the Clemens Group at Century 21. Thank you so much for allowing me to showcase this property to the audience, and we're going to get straight to it. So let's jump right into the property. Number of things really quick about this property: 4,800 plus square feet. You'll see there's a number of rooms, office spaces. There's actually a third floor apartment on the building as well that's currently generating income. You'll see the woodwork is beautiful. It looks historic. It looks beautiful. So I'll let it speak for itself. Take a look. Hey everyone, so just wrapping up 41 Lexington Street here for you guys. I hope it was a good showing for you guys. As you can see inside, it's a large building, 4,800 plus square feet, beautiful woodwork throughout, well maintained over the years. So a great opportunity. What I would say, who this is best for, I would say maybe another attorney, maybe a physician, a doctor, someone who just needs a clean office space. There may be some modifications required, really a lot of cosmetic. Some of the bathrooms are dated as well, so maybe updates to that, but it's a really good space. It's solid, as they say, it has good bones. Also, it may be a potential for a multifamily conversion as well. There's plenty of space for it. You could potentially make this a 3-unit building. So opportunity there. But thank you guys so much. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, on top of the garage is actually a loft space as well. Whatever you want to use that for, it's not finished, but just so you know, and there's good garage space, could fit 2 cars at a minimum in there. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for checking this out. Again, this is 41 Lexington Street in New Britain, Connecticut. If you have any interest in this, please reach out and I'll share any information that you need. Thank you so much. I'll check you out in the next video.